I'm going to put this on my background. Using some of these bristle brushes will work really well. This is a stretch canvas, and stretch canvases, when you're using some of your landscapes, are going to work far better than those panels. So I can really just scrub down with this, coming on across, putting some colors in, and again, I want you all to see how that when you're pushing this onto a surface, how it can work. I think particularly as you're working with your acrylics, putting on foliage and whatnot works wonderfully well, and being able to share with you how to go about doing this. Now, if I put these areas up here in the sky and didn't blend them around, which I'm going to in a circular motion, I would end up not caring for it as well. And of course, everybody's got different painting styles. Mine, I like it to look a little bit more realistic when I'm working. Very often, when I want something to look bright and yellow, I'm going to start out with the yellow colors, but when you're working with the acrylics, you don't necessarily always have to do it. I probably do it more by habit. Now, I'm going to come back in and pick up a little bit more white, and then I'm going to buff over it lightly. And as I do that, if you just barely tickle over that, you can see how you can get a wonderful looking cloud in there, nice and soft. And it actually works a little bit better, I think, to do it when this background is still wet than it does to come back in and tuck them back in. It just gets a nice, very easy to create and a nice finished look to it.